What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you my Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL. I have it with the standard tires right now. Everything's basically stock. Only differences is we have the GTR shocks. I'm actually using e-Revo springs. I haven't changed out the fluid, so they are a bit loose. They're not stiff. So I am going to put a stiffer fluid in the front and rear, but you can see how much more rebound is on there. I'm also thinking about getting some heavier e-Revo springs. I just put these on for a test fit. Has the crossbar, of course, 3S VXL, adjustable wheelie bar, blue arms, and I'm using 30mm wide on each side, all four, with the 12mm hex standard with the standard tires. Runs amazing. I'll run it here without the top for a second. Runs awesome. It performs a lot like a mini XRT. I do have a full size, of course, XRT, and this does perform very similar with the wide kit and with the suspension change. And I am going to put the bigger sledgehammer tires on here and let you guys know how it is. But tune in, do subscribe, and see more.